Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Now from today we start our English reader classes. Okay, English literature classes. So everyone open your book and try to understand this chapter with me. Okay. So write down, open your book and open your notebook also. So you all write down hard words also with me. Okay. So let's start our chapter. And our chapter name is Men versus Animals. It means that man is compared by animal. Okay. So this is the story of the men versus animals. Tell us about the means men का जो कंपैरिजन है ह्यूमन बींग्स कंपेयर्ड बाय एनिमल्स. ह्यूमन बींग्स का जो कंपेयर है वो किससे किया गया है? एनिमल से किया गया है. तो ये दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ एनिमल फार्म बाय जॉर्ज ऑरवेल. ओके, तो ये एनिमल फार्म की स्टोरी है. मीन्स देयर आर सो मेनी एनिमल्स आर देयर. तो उन एनिमल्स की स्टोरी बताई गई है कि एनिमल्स को ह्यूमंस से कैसे कंपेयर किया गया है एंड कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स डिपेंड्स ऑन एनिमल्स. तो कैसे वो डिपेंड है एनिमल्स पे. क्लियर? सो दैट्स व्हाई द चैप्टर नेम इज मेन वर्सेस एनिमल्स. ओके, सो एरिक you all note down, open your book and listen. Eric Arthur Blair, who used the pen name, okay, means the pet name, okay. George Orwell was renowned English novelist. तो George Orwell was a renowned English novelist थे. okay. Easiest critic and journalist. okay. So वो क्या थे? नॉवलिस्ट, इजिएस्ट, एसिएस्ट, क्रिटिक एंड जर्नलिस्ट. क्लियर? सो दीज क्वालिटीज जॉर्ज ऑरवेल हैव. He is famous for his novels 1984 and Animal Farm. Now remember one thing, in exam questions come between but in this only grammar portion come, but listen. For which novels he is famous for? He is famous for his two novels, 1984 and Animal Farm. Clear? Now, the present lesson is an extract from Animal Farm. Okay? So, this present chapter is from Animal Farm. Means this chapter name is exactly, the story name is Animal Farm. The animals of Manor Farm lead a miserable life under Mr. Jones and his men. Miserable life वो बिता रहे थे मिस्टर जॉन्स के अंडर में. Old Mazab, a board, secretly calls for a meeting one night and shares his dreams with other animals. Boar means a pig. Okay, so he is a Mazar. Mazar means he is the head of all animals. Okay, so he decided to meet from other animals. And why he decided to meet? Because he want to share his dream. One last night he saw one dream and that he want to share with other animals. Is that clear? You all try to understand. Very interesting and very easy story is this. Okay. Now he tells them that man is the root cause of their sufferings and they should build a society based on equality and they will be free of humans. Okay. He dies after 3 nights. Now that measure means he wants to tell about the humans, that how humans depends on us, means how humans depends on animals. Clear? He wants to tell about the humans. Okay. And after 3 nights means after 3 nights he died. 2 young pigs, Snowball and Napoleon. 2 young pigs, 2 young pig और थे Snowball and Napoleon. Okay. Take over the command. They drive Mr. Jones away and formulate the policy of animalism for everyone. Okay. Next. Turn your page. Then a poor struggle between Napoleon and Snowball begins. Now, अब start होता है struggle between Napoleon and Snowball के बीच में. Struggle start हुआ. The latter is driven out and Napoleon becomes very powerful. ओके, नेपोलियन बिकम्स मीन्स जब स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट हुआ तो नेपोलियन जो है वो बहुत पावरफुल बन गया था। ऑल द एनिमल्स वर्क वेरी हार्ड बट पिग अज्यूम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पोजिशन। सारे एनिमल्स बहुत अच्छे से हार्डवर्क कर रहे थे, बट जो पोजीशन थी वो सबसे अच्छी पोजीशन किसको मिली? पिग को। ओके, सो हाईएस्ट पोजीशन हु गॉट? पिग। लाइफ बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट एंड फूड बिकम्स स्केरर। स्कैर्सर, द लाइफ जो है वो डिफिकल्ट हो रही थी। द पिग्स एंड नेपोलियन बिकम मोर एंड मोर करप्ट। अब पिग और नेपोलियन दोनों क्या थे? बहुत करप्ट बन चुके थे। ओके, लाइक अ ह्यूमन बींग, जैसे ह्यूमंस में करप्शन होता है, लाइक दिस ओनली दे बिकम करप्ट। इन द एंड pigs begin to resemble humans. Animals are unable to distinguish between pigs and men. Now listen, very interesting point. Animals are unable to distinguish. एनिमल्स जो है वो पिग और मैन में डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर पा रहे थे, क्योंकि मैन इतना गिर चुका था, ह्यूमन बींग्स इतने गिर चुके थे कि वो एनिमल्स जो है वो पिग और मैन में डिफरेंस पता नहीं लगा पा रहे थे। क्लियर? सो दिस इज नाउ रीड ऑन टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट हैपेंड टू द सीक्रेट मीटिंग कॉल्ड बाय ओल्ड मेजर। नाउ we read that what happened in the secret meeting which is called by the Mazer Boar. Mazer Boar means head of the pig. Clear? Now, first of all, write down some hard words of this chapter. Clear? So, everyone open your notebook. Write down critic, renowned, ageist, critic, miserable, 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 write down formulate, formulate, command, formulate, command, command, resemble, resemble, scarcer, scarcer. Now, and next is corrupt. Now, another we discuss. First we start our chapter. Clear? Now, up to here, I think you all understand the story, that what is the writer wants, what writer wants to tell about which, okay, this chapter. So, let's start our chapter is Mr. Jones of the Manor Farm. Manor Farm is a large farmhouse, okay, where so many animals has locked down. So, Mr. Jones of the Manor Farm had locked the hen houses for the night. तो मिस्टर जोन ने क्या किया कि उस लार्ज फार्म हाउस में सो मैनी हेन्स आर लॉक डाउन, सारी हेन्स को वहाँ पे लॉक डाउन कर दिया फॉर द नाइट, बट वॉज टू टायर्ड टू रिमेंबर टू शट दी पोप होल्स. अ होल इन दी पोप होल मीन्स अ होल इन दी इन अ फेंस थ्रू विच एनिमल्स कैन पास. अब वो ओपन करना भूल गया था, शट करना भूल गया था, सॉरी. विद द रिंग ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम हिज लैंटर्न dancing from side to side, he lurched across the yard. Lurched across the yard means moved unsteadily from drunkard moves when drunk. Okay? तो वो मिस्टर जोन्स कैसे मूव कर रहा था उस एरिया में, जैसे कोई ड्रंकन मूव करता है, लाइक दिस वे, ये ड्रंकन की कोई भाग ना जाए. ओके, ड्रिंक की हुई थी, उस मीन्स ड्रंकन की तरह वो मूव कर रहा था. And made his way up to bed where Mr. Jones was already snoring. और वो खुद के बेड पे जाके सो गया और वहाँ पे वो स्नोरिंग कर रहा था, ब्रीथिंग नॉइजली, बहुत तेज तेज वो ब्रीथ कर रहा था, ब्रीथ ले रहा था. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, as soon as the light in the bedroom went out, जब बेडरूम की लाइट went out means बंद हुई, there was a stirring and a fluttering all through the farm buildings. Word had gone round during the day that old Mazer, the prize middle, white boar, had a strange dream on the previous night. Now means in whole area, सारे एरिया में ये बात फैल चुकी थी कि means like one means that old Mazer saw one dream last night and he want to share with all, और वो सबसे वो ड्रीम जो है वो शेयर करना चाहता था. Now previous night, okay, had a strange dream on the previous night and wished to communicate to the other animals. और वो क्या चाहता था, वो all other animals से communicate करना चाहता था about that dream. Clear? It had been agreed that they should all meet in the big barn. Now all decided to meet in the big barn. सबने डिसाइड किया कि सब एक बिग बार्न में मिलेंगे, एक स्टोर हाउस में मिलेंगे. As soon as Mr. John was safely out of the way, Mr. John वहाँ से निकल चुके थे, मीन्स उनके रास्ते से निकल चुके थे. Old Mazer was so highly regarded on the farm that everyone was quite ready to lose an hour's sleep in order to hear what he had to say. सारे एनिमल्स जो थे, मीन्स ऑल एनिमल्स लूज देयर 1 hour स्लीप. सारे एनिमल्स खुद की 1 घंटे की नींद खराब करने को तैयार थे, बिकॉज दे ऑल वॉन्ट टू नो दैट वॉट इज द ड्रीम, ओके, वॉट ही सॉ प्रीवियस नाइट. ओके, सो फॉर दैट ड्रीम ऑल एनिमल्स वॉन्ट टू लूज देयर 1 hour sleep. Clear? So up to here I think you all understand this paragraph. Next, all the animals were now present. Okay, all animals were present there except Moses. Okay, now Moses means large bird. Okay, the except Moses, the tame raven who slept on a perch behind the back door. When Major saw that they had all made themselves comfortable and were waiting attentively, he cleared his throat and began. Now, old Major saw कि ये सब तैयार है मेरी बात सुनने को, तो उसने खुद के गले को जो है वो सही किया. This way and begin, and he start begin. Comrades means what? Comrades means a friend, means in Hindi we can call साथियों. Okay, तो जैसे एक सभा होती है, like the meeting, then we start our lecture, then we say comrades. Okay, so we always use comrades for friends, for साथियों. Okay, now comrades, you have already heard about the strange dream that I had last night, but I will come to the dream later. मैं dream के बारे में बाद में बताऊंगा, पहले मैं आपको और कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. I have something else to say first. I do not think, comrades, that I shall be with you for many months longer. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं आपके साथ ज़्यादा महीनों तक रह पाऊंगा. And before I die, क्योंकि मैं उससे पहले ही मर जाऊंगा. I feel it my duty to pass on to you such wisdom. ये मेरी ड्यूटी है कि मुझे आपको कुछ समझाना है. As I have acquired, जो मैंने जो wisdom gain की है, that I want to tell you. I have had a long life. I have had much time for thought as I lay down alone in my stall, and I think I may say that I understand the nature of life on this earth as well as any animal now living. It is about this that I wish to speak to you. Means what he want to say, ओल्ड मेजर से कि मैंने मेरी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सीखा है. आई अंडरस्टैंड वॉट इज द नेचर ऑफ लाइफ. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वॉट इज गोइंग ऑन अर्थ. मीन्स आई गेट मच लाइफ to understand everything and what I want to speak you. Okay, so everyone see that picture. Okay, so this picture, this is the pig, big Mazer, old Mazer. Okay, this is the pig, means head of all animals. ये इनका सबका head है and all sit down side of his. Clear? Now next is what? Now first of all write down some hard words also of this. Now next is 10th one is Mosses means large bird. Okay, mosses means large bird. Regarded. Next, write down thought. Thought. Next is wisdom. Attentively. Next is attentively. Acquired. Next is acquired. Another one is miserable. Miserable already written. Clear? Next is communicate. Next is communicate. These are the hard words. Okay? Another after we discuss. Now, next is what? Next paragraph open now. Comrades. Now he wants to tell about the comrades. Now, next is, now comrades, what is the nature of this life of ours? Now he want to tell about the nature of life. Clear? Now, comrades, what is the nature of his life of ours, this life of ours? Let us face it, our lives are miserable. Our life are miserable. Means he tell us about the life. Miserable, laborious and short. जो हमारी life है वो miserable है, laborious है and short है. We are born, we are given just so much food as will keep the breath in our bodies. And those of us who are capable of it are forced to work to the last atom of our strength, and the very instant that our usefulness has come to an end, we are slaughtered with hideous cruelty. Means we are laborious, we are short, we are miserable, okay, and we are used for food. Okay, we just use for food for human beings. Okay, means our life is hideous cruelty. बहुत क्रूरता से हमारे साथ पेश आया जाता है. Okay, but in this simply a part of the order of nature. Is it because the land of our is so poor? ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जो हमारी land है वो बहुत means poor है. That it cannot afford a decent life to those who dwell upon it. Now, comrades, 1,000 times no. This single farm of ours would support a dozen horses. इस इतने से फार्म में हमारे पास क्या क्या है? डजन horses, 20 cows, 100 of sheep, all of them living in a comfort and dignity that are now almost beyond our imagining. Why then do we continue in this miserable condition? तो हम इस miserable condition को क्यों face करें? Because nearly the whole of the produce of our labor is stolen from us by human beings. Dear comrades is the answer to all our problem. It is summed up in a single word, men. Who is the responsible for our miserable life? Men. Simple. Man is the only real enemy we have. Man ही हमारा जो है real enemy है. Remove man from the scene and the root cause of hunger means man जो है उसकी भूख किससे मिटती है? हमसे. And overwork is abolished forever. Man is the only creature that consumes without producing. He does not give milk. He does not lay eggs. He is too weak to pull the plow. He cannot run fast enough to catch rabbits. Means he cannot run fast enough to catch rabbit को नहीं पकड़ सकता वो. Yet he is lord of all the animals. Okay, he sets them to work. He gives back to them the bare minimum. Means animals are used for laborious work. Means man is used us to work that will prevent them from starving, and rest he keeps for himself. Our labor tills the soil, our dung fertilizes, and yet there is not one of us that owns more than his bare skin. Means animals give us milk, animals give us eggs. Means without us and man can't do anything. You cows that I see before me, how many thousands of gallons of milk have you given during this last year? कितना आपने milk दिया है last year? And what has happened to that milk? which should have been breeding up sturdy cows. Sturdy cows means strongly and solidly built. Every drop of it has gone down the throats of our enemies. और ये सब किसने पिया है? जो हमारे enemies हैं, human beings, जो हमारे enemies हैं means men. And your hens, how many eggs have you laid this last year, and how many of those eggs ever hatched into the chickens? The rest have all gone to market to bring in money for John and his men. और हमारे जो eggs हैं उनसे जो मिस्टर जॉन ने कमाया है और मैन ने कमाया. And Clover, where are those 4 foals you bore? You should have been the support of pleasure of your old age. Each we sold at a year old. You will never see one of them again. In return for your confinement means the state of being forced to stay in a closed space, and all your labor in the field, what have you ever had except your bare rations and a stall? Is it not crystal clear then, comrades, that all the evils of this life of ours spring from this tyranny of human beings? Only get rid of men and the produce of our labor would be our own. Means अब men के लिए सब कुछ करना छोड़ो और जो भी हम लेबर करते हैं वो सिर्फ हम हमारे लिए ही करेंगे. Almost overnight we become rich and free. What then must we do? Fix your eyes on that, comrades, throughout the short remainder of your life, and above all, pass on this message of mine to those who come after you. जो आपके बाद आए वहाँ उन तक भी ये मैसेज पहुँचाना कि जो भी करना है वो खुद के लिए करना है, ना कि हमें अदर मेंस के लिए करना है. So that future generation shall carry on the struggle until it is victorious. Let there be perfect unity, perfect comradeship in the struggle. All men are enemies, all animals are comrades. So what is the message? कि जितने भी मेंस हैं वो सब हमारे enemies हैं, but all comrades are our friends, all animals are our friends. Clear? So give this message to future generation. So this is the story of Animal Farm by George Orwell. This is the small story. This is the very good story. So everyone write down these hard words from book. I write on board. Dignity. Comrades, you all know the meaning of comrades, already written. Okay. Consumes. Consumes, fertilizes, comradeship, clear? So this is victorious, 21 years victorious also. Now this is all about your chapter. Okay. So in next class we will discuss question answers and word meaning. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.